Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So I have another Treat Tuesday video. Today we are making zucchini bread from a recipe from my friend Sarah. I will put that recipe in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video and come along with me and let's make some zucchini bread. Okay, so in a mixing bowl, I am getting 3 eggs. And I'm going to beat them until they are fluffy. You can certainly use a hand mixer or a mixing machine if you have one. I have a KitchenAid that I love, but I thought for filming it'd be more fun to do it old school. So you want to beat the 3 eggs until they are nice and foamy. Beat it, beat it. Da, 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 da. You know I had to sing. Name that tune, guys. Who sings Beat It? And for bonus points, who sings the parody song Eat It, Eat It? Something, I don't know. So let me know, guys. Alright. So I got my eggs, 3 eggs that are beaten in there. I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. My husband actually likes his zucchini bread a little bit sweeter, so I actually have 2.5 cups of sugar in here. I'm gonna mix that in. And I'm thinking, you guys, we might actually have to go to a bigger bowl. I don't think everything's gonna fit in this bowl now that I'm looking at it. So hold on. Ta-da, bigger bowl. All right, so in a large mixing bowl, go big or go home, y'all. Beat your 3 eggs till they're foamy. Add in your 2 cups of sugar, or 2.5 cups if you like it extra sweet. Then I have 2 cups of grated zucchini that I grew in my own garden. How cool is that, guys? Trade up the whisk for a spatula. Get that mixed in there. All right, and then my 3 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 cups of zucchini. I am adding a teaspoon of salt. I am adding 3 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm adding 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna get that all mixed in there. And you're gonna mix it well, but you don't really want to over mix it. And to that, I'm going to take 3 cups of flour. I'm just gonna put in a little bit at a time. 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And a teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure I got that right. And then we're going to stir that up. Get it all incorporated in there. And what's baking if it's not messy, guys? Are you really baking if you don't get flour everywhere? Or is that just me too? Because I get it everywhere. Make sure you get the sides. It smells so good. I love the cinnamon. And then I'm going to add the rest of the 3 cups of flour to my bowl. And get that incorporated in there. We're getting in that time of year where it's fall, and then after fall will be winter. What kind of things do you guys like to bake? I'm curious. Do you guys have any standards, any go-to items that you bake every year? Is there anything you'd like to see me bake? Are there any recipes or anything that you guys have wanted to try but haven't been brave enough that you want me to attempt? I'll do that for you. I'll take one for the team, and I will experiment baking. I have no shame in that. All right, so everything is mixed in my bowl. I have 2 loaf pans that are greased and floured. Then I'm going to try to evenly split the mix between. Try to scoop all that yumminess in there. Don't want to miss out on any of this goodness. All right, guys. So I'm going to take my 2 loaf pans and I'm going to put them in the center rack of my oven that has been preheated to 325 degrees, and they are going to bake for 1 hour. Okay, it has been 1 hour. So I pulled my zucchini bread out, and I'm going to take a knife, and if the knife comes through clean, your zucchini bread is done and ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cover these bad boys up and let them cool, and then they will be ready for eating, sharing, and lots of enjoying. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It's completely free. It helps me out. And what else is completely free? Smashing that subscribe button and becoming part of my YouTube family if you haven't already. And thank you so much to everyone that has joined my channel recently. I really appreciate you guys. And thank you to my OGs, my gals, and gents that have been here for a while. I appreciate you guys and your continued support. If you liked today's video and you like Treat Tuesdays and you want them to continue, comment down below, let me know, and I could do some more videos for you guys to share you some treats and snacks and goodies that I can try out and that we can make together. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.